Hey y'all, it's me Alex. Today I have a tutorial on this look, this black and nude halo eye. I had done this and posted on my Instagram over winter break sometime, and I had used black lipstick with it and I thought it was really cute. Today I have two lip options. One is this eye look with a nude lip, which I really actually like how that turned out too, and also with this black lipstick that I have on right now. So this is pretty simple to do. I wanted to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette, mostly because I've been using that a lot recently, like in conjunction with other palettes, and I think it's very easy to think, you know, it's kind of a boring standalone palette, but I think there are a lot of looks like this that you can really get out of it too that are more dramatic and cool. So anyway, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so to start off the eye look, I'm going to apply my NYX HD Eyeshadow Primer. And as you can see, I already have my brows and my foundation and concealer done. So to start off as a transition, I'm going to take Lazarus from my Shade and Light eye palette, and I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush and just blend that into my crease. Then with a Wet n Wild blending eye brush, I'm going to take Celios and I'm going to put that on the outer and inner corner and also kind of blend that into my crease. And then to deepen that up even more, I'm going to take the shade Shax and I'm going to put that on my eyes using an e.l.f. blending eye brush. So I'm going to put that right in the center of where I'd put the other gray shades. And then I'm going to take the gray shade and just use that to blend it into the crease a bit more. I'm gonna dab it into my crease as well, just a little bit. And don't worry if this looks like a hot mess right now. We go back and we fix things, and that is how we do things. Now moving on to the lid shade, I'm going to go in with Latinus, and I'm going to take that on the more flat end of an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush I have that came in one of the palettes that I own. And I'm just going to put that directly onto the lid right there. And then I'm going to go back in with a combination of the black and gray and just use that to smooth everything out on the edges and really blend it. For my brow bone shade, I'm going to use Lucius. Yeah, I'm going to put that on using the fluffy end of the brush that came in with my Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette. Now I'm going to go on the lower lash line and take Celios again, and I'm going to put that on the outer and inner corner. And then I'm getting back in with Latinus and putting that in the middle. Then I'm going to take Shax again, and I'm going to put that at the lash line of the outer and inner corner and just really use that to deepen it up. And I just got some on my eyeball, but that's okay. It wouldn't hurt too much, right? Right. And I'm bringing it up onto the upper lash line as well, just to keep on blending things. Just to clean things up, I'm going in with Latness again on the upper lid, just to add a little bit more contrast and definition. And I'm going to gently blend out the edges there. Then I'm going to take my NYX Retractable Eye Pencil in black, and I'm going to use that on the lower lash line where I have the black part. I'm not using it all over, just simply where the black is closest to the lash line. And I'm going to use it a little bit on my upper waterline as well. Now I'm going to curl my lashes using my Ardell eyelash curler. And I will finish off my eyes with my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Okay, now moving on to my face, I'm going to go in with the lightest shade from my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette and carve out my cheekbones using that. I'm also going to use that along the edges of my nose and also along my jawline. I'm going to take 2 steps for my highlighter. I'm not going to really bronze my face today just because I think this will work better as just kind of a more neutral to cool tone look rather than a really bronzy one. So I'm going to go in with my highlight, and I'm going to start off by using my City Color Glowing Complexion Illuminating Cream. I got it for like $3. And I'm going to put that a little on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge and just apply that to the tops of my cheekbones. I've really been liking to use this as a base for other highlighting products recently. And I'm putting that a little bit on the bridge of my nose, but not so far down as to get like, you know, the Rudolph look. And for my highlight, I'm gonna use this Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Highlighter Powder in Golden Sand. For my blush, I wanted to use a nude blush, so I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Rosé Champagne. Okay, so I have 2 lip color options for this look. Both of them are from Blackheart Beauty. One is this kind of like Dead Girl Nude, and there's also a black one. I don't have the shade names for this because they just came in a set, but I think you can buy these individually or in a set from Hot Topic. So I'm first gonna try and see how this looks with the nude lipstick, but I think I'm ultimately gonna go with the black one because that was the one that I had originally tried out with this look. You know, I wanted to give y'all whatever it is, like all of the options. Why is my hair doing that? Okay. Also, my lips are like super dry right now. Okay, so this is the first lip option, and I actually really like how this one turned out. I think this one looked better than I had anticipated it looking. I thought it would just kind of go with the whole effect, and it really does. So yeah, this is what the nude lipstick looks like. Okay, now time to take this off hopefully without removing all of the foundation around it. But yeah, I only just now remembered how difficult these are to get off. Put some lip balm on. By the way, this is a Ret Link lip balm. It's like peanut butter and peppermint, but it doesn't actually have peanuts in it, so that's cool. I don't know if this is cruelty-free or not, but my mom got this for me for Christmas. So I'm also very quickly going to re-highlight the upper bow because I feel like that kind of came off a little bit when I was taking off everything else. Now I'm gonna go in with a black shade, which I've worn a lot. I would usually go in with my Kat Von D Witches, but I'm almost out of it, so that's upsetting. So anyway, this is the finished look. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you on my next one. Hope you'll have a wonderful day. Bye!